Which AI trading bots do profitable traders actually use? The answer may surprise you. Most successful traders use AI to find opportunities, automated rules, and save time. They do not trust one magical bot to make money for them. First is trade ideas Holly. Holly scans US stocks in real time and suggests possible entry prices, stop loss levels, and profit targets. Think of it as an AI assistant watching thousands of stocks while you focus on the best opportunities. Second is TrendSpider. It lets you create, test, and automate trading strategies without advanced coding. You choose the rules, and the platform helps you find patterns and send alerts when your setup appears. Third is Composer. Composer helps users build automated stocks and ETF strategies with AI, test them on historical data, and execute them automatically. More advanced traders often build their own bots using the Interactive Brokers API. An API is simply a connection that lets trading software communicate with the broker. This gives traders more control over entries, exits, position size, and risk management. The real opportunity is using AI to build a smarter and more consistent progress. Start small, test your strategy, and let automation help you toward your financial goals. Thank you for watching.